Hello and welcome to Design by Misha. In this video, I would like to talk about how to prepare for your first meeting with your client.
Let's get ready for client meeting.
There is a saying that first impression is the last impression. And that is why when you meet a prospective client for the first time, it is important that you make a really good first impression. I still remember when I started my interior design business. It was a real challenge for me. All the tips I will be talking about in this video are based on my interaction with my clients over the years.
Tip number 1. Preparation.
Before meeting the client, try and prepare an outline. Think of the question you would like to ask them and prepare for the questions that they might ask you. For example, you can ask your client, when do you need this project to be delivered? And your client may ask you, what other projects have you handled in the past?
Tip number 2. Nonverbal communication.
Your posture, body language and facial expressions all help you communicate with your clients. If you project confidence, the client will be reassured that they are trusting the right person.
Practice in front of the mirror if you are anxious. Tip number 3. Your appearance.
Although looks are subjective, how you look when meeting someone for the first time is very important. You should look elegant and radiate confidence. Your appearance should justify the fee you are charging your clients.
Women should wear heels and stylish accessories. You are an artist and your appearance should reflect the artist in you. Tip number 4. Confidence.
Meeting someone for the first time is always stressful for most people. But when meeting your client, it is important to project a calm confidence. If you like music, listen to your favorite track on the way to the meeting. Try and reach few minutes early so that you have some time to get comfortable with the surroundings.
Important items to carry.
Now let me show you some important items I take with me to the meeting. Notebook and pen. I normally carry for writing down the notes. A measuring tape. Although I take the measurement after the contract has been signed, but it's always good idea to keep it handy. A camera to take photograph of the site is important. So what I do is I use a smartphone to take photographs of my site. When you go for a first meeting, don't forget to carry your portfolio. I always carry my portfolio on my iPad or laptop. In my upcoming videos, I will talk about how to handle consultancy and turnkey projects. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe Design by Misha.